दिस इज सवेद प्रधान एंड यू आर वाचिंग हैप्पी लर्निंग। आज मैं आपके लिए इंग्लिश स्टोरी लाया हूँ, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। द ओल्ड मैन एंड 3 sons। One day there were 3 sons. They never loved each other. They kept fighting. This made the old man sad. Then one day the old man called their sons and brought a bundle of sticks. Then the old man said, "My boys, here is a bundle of sticks." Broke the bundle. Each of the sons tried to break the bundle, but they could not. Then the old man untied the bundle, and the old man gave each one sticks to each. Then they can break the sticks easily. Then they can break when they was tired. Then the old man said, "My boys, did you know that if the sticks were collected, you can't break them, but when they are separated, you can break them easily." This is the strength of unity.
Unit.
If you keep fighting, so you can't do anything.
Yes.
If you love each other and help each other, so you can do everything. So अगर अच्छा लगा हाँ ये इंग्लिश स्टोरी, तो एक लाइक देने के लिए भूले ना। बाय बाय।
What is the moral?
मोरल है स्टोरी का कि हमें सबकी मदद करनी,
मिलजुल के रहना चाहिए।
मिलजुल के रहना चाहिए।
Unity is strength.
यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ।
Bye bye.
बाय बाय।